All right, you guys. So it's Black Friday, and basically this is the same prices as the pre-Black Friday that we just went through in Lowe's. Now I was at a different Lowe's location, but basically it's almost the same thing. Everything is basically the same price from what I seen in the last video I dropped for y'all. But I will drop this for y'all so y'all can see that nothing really changes as far as Black Friday these days. Black Friday almost stays the same, you guys. But the only thing is a lot of people don't shop on Thanksgiving. They shop the day after Thanksgiving. It's like a tradition. Most of this stuff I already really have. I don't really see nothing that I really want or really interesting to me. What's this, a magnetic tray? Oh, this looks pretty cool. 2 of them, $10. It's not bad, something different. Oh, it's collapsible. Oh yeah, I like this. I'm buying this one. I like this. That is different. Oh, sorry. Got the Cobalt over here. I really love this set, but I seen something else that I want from Home Depot, so I will be going to Home Depot, you guys. Might go to Walmart and maybe Kohl's. So I know Kohl's is not really, a place that everybody go to, but they're starting to have a lot of cool stuff at Kohl's. Sorry, not even looking at the prices for y'all. So you got a hammer if you need a hammer. Oh, was $9.90. Oh, okay. Might be cheaper. All right. These are the big dog hammers. I got a few hammers in the house like this. If you seen, I forgot what video I did, but I used one of the real big hammers. All right, basic tools, you guys, basic tools. If I was y'all, I would just get like the big, if you're new to getting tools, I'll just get like the big tool box. The one that's like $100 or something like that. You got toolboxes over here. Oh, hold up. Oh, I thought this was $49. Hey, if this was $49, I would have been like, that's a deal. Up here is $49 for the bag. Still not bad, but if you need a bag, there you go. Let's go down these grab and go aisles, you guys. Grab and go. It's not that many people here, so we're gonna take advantage of this moment. All right. It's a nice little starter kit right there. A little expensive for a starter kit, but it's there. Something for your kids. Clamps. All right, we saw these yesterday. So you guys, I really didn't see nothing different besides this Craftsman collapsible magnet tray. Magnetic tray. I actually like this thing. I like that. That is something different. I haven't seen nothing like that. All right. These are all little mini, what do you call them? For the oscillating tool. All right. All right, you guys, we are almost done with the grab and go. I'm gonna check some other spots here to see if we could find anything. I kind of do need a drill set. I'll wait. Let me see what they got at Home Depot. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, a little mini inverter. 300 watt. $100. $100 for a light. It's 40 volts. Wow. All right, what we got? Toolbox. Oh, tool cart. Cobalt 2 cart. And I don't know how much it costs. I think it was like 100 and something. You guys, I haven't been to Harbor Freight in a long time. Very long time. Ooh. Look at that, you guys. They have some sales going on. I have something like that over there. $3.39 for this cart. It's not bad. It's really not bad. All right, you guys. Now we got stuff for the pets. I don't really need it, but if you have pets, there you go. Lowe's have some cool things. Little tennis ball blaster. Toys for your pets. So all in all, the prices did not change at all. So Black Friday and pre-Black Friday, same prices. And I don't see nothing new. It's a nice little bowl set. It says no messy floors. Oh, that'd be interesting. If you have dogs, that would be pretty cool right there. All right, let me whip it around. We have a towel set. Or blanket, not towel. Waterproof. Oh, that's for your pets? Oh, that's nice. Waterproof. Have y'all down because I don't like putting people on camera. That's just me personally. That's just the way I am. Almost half off. Nice little grill right here, you guys. But nothing will substitute my ugly drum. This is nice. This will go in the cart. Somebody must have put this here by accident. I'm getting confused right here, but it says $100. And it has 2 different models on here. Oh, both models are $100. Okay, so I see Craftsman. It says it's $200 for Craftsman, so somebody put that one here by accident. But we have 2 Eurekas. One is corded and one is cordless. And both are $100. $100? Usually a stick vacuum is $200 minimum. Let's try it out, you guys. It says outdoor, indoor. So are you supposed to put this outdoor too? Because I am not going to be putting this on the windows outside. The typical DeWalt stuff. All right, you guys, I'm in the wood area. About to head to the tool section to see what kind of sales, and somebody is grabbing sheetrock. We in the regular tool section, you guys, and to be honest with y'all, there's nothing over here that's on sale. All right, you have the DeWalt heated jacket, $200. Forgot about that, but I think I will wait. I'm gonna see if it goes down on price like after all the sale week go on. I'm checking myself out, guys. So we are out of here. Didn't really get too much. I didn't see this vacuum in the other Lowe's I was at, so we are gonna go ahead and get this vacuum, review it. I think it will be pretty good. 40-minute run time. It has LED lights, works on all surfaces. So yeah, we'll be good to go with that. And that'll be it for this Black Friday sale. And we are headed towards Cyber Monday, you guys. Cyber Monday. So let's see what their sales look like online. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'm headed to Home Depot. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit.